Hello, in this video I will show you that how you can create a minimal style logo animation in After Effects. First I will create a new composition, change the name to logo animation. The resolution is 1920 into 1080, frame rate 30 is good, change the duration to 10 seconds. Add a solid and change its name to background. From Shapes panel, use Ellipse tool and draw an ellipse. Ctrl-Alt-Home to center align. From Effects and Preset panel, use Drop Shadow and change the distance to 50 and softness to 500. Change the opacity to 15 and that's good. Now we have our shape and I will animate it. On 16 seconds, add another keyframe and first keyframe should be 0. F9 to easy ease and enable the motion blur. Okay, that's working fine. I will increase this to 300. Again duplicate it and on scale change it to 250. Again duplicate it, press S, it will reveal the scale. Change it to 200. Ctrl D to duplicate it and change it to 150. Again duplicate it and change it to 100. Again duplicate it and change it to 70. 60 will be good. Press U, it will hide the keyframes. Now I will import my logo. My logo is in Illustrator file. I will import it as a composition because I have already separated it by layers in Illustrator. You can also do it. So this is the logo. Disable the snapping and that's it, logo is done. I will add also shadow to the logo to give it a depth. Our logo is ready. I will duplicate this background layer and make it above the logo and change its name to mask. And also delete that drop shadow effect on this mask. And track matte, set the track matte to alpha matte using just pick whip. Now I will animate this. That's great. I will delete these keyframes on mask and I will use the position keyframe to animate the logo. Press F9 to easy ease it and enable the motion blur. Once this pulse animation over, our logo will appear. Press U and I will add a new null object. Parent these compositions to this null. Change the scale to 125. F9 to easy ease this. So now you can see our logo is ready. It's very easy, fast and minimalistic logo. You can create it very easily. One more variation that we can do is we can change the drop shadow color to this color. Because you can see we have red color underline this and increase the opacity to 35 and also for this 35 and change it to 35. In this way we have a touch of white, black and red color, 3 color combination, it will look good. In this way, the logo is already finalized. One final look that we can give to our logo is this, that we can make this shape layer 6 to enlarge in a way so that it fills the whole screen like this. So in this way, the pulse effect that is on the background will be removed and our screen has only logo and clean background. You can also change the background color if you want. It's very easy. You can use the effect fill from here. In future, I will be sharing more easy and minimalistic logo animations for you. If you like this video, please do like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in next video.